We're here at the SF Ruby AI Hackathon today, here in downtown San Francisco at the Sentry office. And we're here with Justin Bowen, who is one of our judges today, as well as the creator of ActiveAgent.
Happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
Give us a little bit of a rundown.
Yeah, so this hackathon is really to inspire developers, Rubyists, and developers who haven't tried Ruby to come out and build something cool with Ruby. There is the optional extra challenge of building AI features or building with generative AI tooling. So Copilot or Claude Code, any kind of code gen assistant. Really, there is no strict requirement on what people have to build. It just has to be something interesting, creative, and fun with Ruby. And if they do build out AI features, that's an added bonus for sure.
You've been walking around the floor today, mentoring, helping folks out with their projects and ideas. What kind of stuff are you seeing?
It's a wide variety of things, a lot of unexpected surprises out there. One really cool one was a beat loop generator. Another one was a couples therapist text-to-speech app. I know a few people are not vibe coding and may or may not be building AI features, but it's definitely an interesting assortment of things.
And I think you told me earlier that there are actually a few people here who have never used Ruby before.
Yeah, actually one of them came up to me at the beginning asking what we're looking for, and talked a bit about their experience, and they've worked with machine learning and AI prior to the whole Gen AI wave that we're in right now. So it'll be interesting to see, coming from a Python background, what they end up building for Ruby.
And do you feel like events like these are going to really help bring new developers into the Ruby ecosystem and inspire people to build more with Ruby?
Yeah, and hopefully not just new people, but new ideas. Get new Ruby gems, new Ruby products out there.
What's your take on the Ruby ecosystem here in San Francisco?
So the SF Ruby meetup happens once a month at various big startups like Sentry, where we're at today. We usually have a pretty big crowd and great presenters from around the world. Actually, I know a few of the people that have been attending have gotten Ruby jobs within the last year or so.
Could you tell us a little bit about the panel of judges and what you guys are looking for when you're judging projects today?
Yeah, so I think the judges that we have a wide array of experience, and each of us will be focusing on different things. I'll be focusing on the vibes, so not just like vibe coding or AI features, but just general overall presentation of the presenters and what they're putting together. We also have creativity, UX, and quality assessments. So yeah, it'll be really cool to see what everyone presents and how it's received by the judges.
Do you think any of the projects here today could end up being something larger, or maybe Ruby startups in the future?
Oh, there's definitely potential. I know the guys from Cedar Code are here working on separate teams, but one of them is working on a really interesting GitHub-related project that I'm excited to see come together.
It sounds like a lot of folks have come in from outside of San Francisco and actually from all over the world to be here.
Yeah. Yes. I think there are people from Brazil, Portugal, Japan, Switzerland, Uruguay.
What made you want to be a judge today for this hackathon?
Yeah, for me, I've been building AI-powered apps for over a decade now, but mostly in Python. And I've done a lot of talks at Ruby Central conferences like RailsConf and RubyConf about getting better tooling for AI development in Ruby. I'm just excited to see people build Ruby products, whether they're powered by AI or coded by AI or not. I think there's a lot of opportunity for really cool stuff to come together.
And why is that AI piece important? Why not just SF Ruby hackathon?
Yeah, this is actually the first Ruby-focused hackathon I've ever attended, and the only criteria is what people deliver has to be built in Ruby. The AI parts are added extras, but I think it's definitely driven a lot of people within and outside of the Ruby community to come.
Thank you, Justin. Is there anything else you'd like to share?
Yeah, I think it's really exciting that Sentry hosted this. I know they are supplying the location of food, and we also have Continue.dev offering a month free of their service for Copilot plugin for VS Code, Fly.io for Rails hosting, and the Evil Martians always do great open source. So yeah, it's really exciting to be here and really looking forward to seeing what everyone puts together.